We're Ashley and Dan, and after living in our van for 8 months, we decided to elope.
Good morning. Day 3, trying to get ourselves ready for our wedding. We were told maybe we shouldn't call it an elopement. So we do have, I think it's up to nine people. Ashley's parents flew out. My dad is flying out today. Her sister flew out. And then we're at her aunt and uncle's house and her cousin is coming. So I guess it's like a micro wedding, or I don't know. It was last minute, unplanned, so I still call it an elopement. Anyway, just taking the dogs to the dog park at Ashley's aunt and uncle's neighborhood. Yeah, on the agenda today, we're just gonna get me some shoes. Come here, Bubba. Here we go. Landed on a jacket yesterday, or jacket 2 days ago, pants yesterday. Just gotta snag some shoes, and then Ashley and I are good to go. Come here, bub. Oh, get back. Get back. Ooh, Bubba wants the ball. Oh no. Oh no. Bubba, ready? Stitch. Oh. Ah! Careful. 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 Ready? 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 Go get that ball. Good girl. Good girl. Bubba. Stitch, what is this? You'll notice I'm wearing shorts. I am wearing North Face still up top, but I'm wearing shorts. It's like 50 degrees here today. And it's supposed to be like 50 degrees tomorrow for our wedding. Although in the park, higher elevation, probably a little colder, but how lucky are we? Are you so ready? Are you so ready? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Sit. Lilo. Good girl. Go get it. Let's go get some shoes, and then Ashley and I have to write our vows. So, fun stuff. Got my shoes. Now we just have to go get some flowers for Ashley, champagne, and some food for tonight. Held out for dinner. Making guac. Easy peasy. Time to get married. Ashley got her flowers. Yeah. Now we're just gonna stop at a dog park, tire the dogs out once more, and then write our vows. You're so silly. Lila, who's a good girl? Good girl. Aeration.
What do you think you're gonna do?
Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess.
Smile. We're excited. Big things are happening. What finger is that?
Today's the big day. Ashley and I are gonna get married.
I don't sound so excited.
Eh.
We're gonna get married.
Well, it's almost, what's the word?
It's almost time.
Yeah, no, not almost time.
It's the hour.
I think it's about time. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, we're leaving. But yep, hit the dog park real quick and then we're both gonna start getting ready.
Just like Chris was saying, shit, life happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes these things.
I look at the life we've built, the experiences that we've shared, the memories we've made, and though there's been some hard times, I realize it's all been leading to this. I know now more than ever that you are my everything, my biggest supporter, my best friend. You're my partner. You're the mother to our dogs and to our future children. And you've shown me more love than I've ever known. And with that love, I promise to always be your safe place, to love you as you are, and to hold that love sacred above all else. I promise to ensure that your every need is met, your every want is reached, and every dream you have is realized. I promise to be the strength when we need to be binded together. I promise that when life gives us tests, I will protect and provide for the life and the family that we create. I promise to never stop making up my own lyrics when I sing you songs. I promise to never stop annoying you. And I promise to always make you smile. I promise to be your best friend. With every breath in my lungs and every beat in my heart, these promises I swear to you.
Dan, saying that we've been through so much in the last 5 years is an understatement. Starting at the beginning at Rowan University where we first met, little did I know the boy I would nonstop flirt with and who always asked a copy off of my homework would be my future husband. What an expensive way to meet my future life partner. I didn't do anything with my degree, but I got to meet you. You have taught me what being a team means. You see my struggles as your struggles and my happiness as your happiness. You inspire me every day to grow and become a better version of myself. I promise to respect you and support you no matter how hangry you get. I promise to follow you along whichever new crazy path you take us on. I see these vows not as promises, but as privileges, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Our wedding day is complete, and it was oh so magical. Are you exhausted?
I'm tired.
We're exhausted. It was about 60, I think the high was 60 in Berthoud, Colorado today, and we went up to Rocky Mountain National Park and it was 35. The sun was so bright and amazing. We got extremely lucky with the weather, amazingly. There was a blizzard here, and they got so much snow just a couple weeks ago. We had a hand fasting ceremony, and we had the most amazing officiant, and our dog signed off on the marriage license, which is so special.
Didn't go super great.
No, it was a special ink pad for some reason.
Their mark.
We got their mark on there, and now we're back in Berthoud at my aunt's, and we are ready
For bed.
for bed. Wow, what a day. It flew.
It was a long day, but it went fast.
We didn't even do much, which was the crazy part.
I mean, I did a lot.
You did a lot. You did a little more than me.
I went
You know,
drove.
I planned the wedding, so.
Yes, you
Come
did.
on, that was a lot.
Yes, you did.
The 2 vendors that we had.
What was the second vendor?
The officiant,
What was the first vendor?
the photographer.
Our best friend.
Our
slash
best
photographer.
friend,
Real hard.
Nick.
Real hard to book. Hey,
Nick-
are you a free?
Nick Levine Photography.
Yeah. We did want to just take a second and say how grateful we are to everybody that came out.
Yep.
My dad, Ashley's parents, Ashley's sister, our whole family, even if they weren't here now, you know, they were so supportive of
Yeah.
our first wedding. That
First
didn't
big wedding
happen.
in Europe. Yep.
It's just, you know, we're so grateful for everybody's love and support. And we'll end this video on that note and say thank you to everybody and that we love you guys. And thank you to everybody who's supporting us, who's not our family.
Subscribing and watching our videos. We're doing this for fun, and we're doing this for ourselves, and
For our future kids.
for anyone watching is amazing, and we're truly grateful. Yep.
So we're going to go to bed
On that note, we are going to bed.
and talk to you tomorrow.